Here's how easy it is to add an expense in Moneta. One way is to tap on the category, select the amount, pick a tag and save. The other way is from the plus button, select the category from suggestions, the amount, a tag and save. If the category you're looking for is not presented in the suggestions, you can select it from the category menu. You can filter by need or want, find your category and select. If it's not available even among the planned categories, you can simply create it from the Add New button, choose an icon and give it a name. And the last but most used one is after paying with your phone, iOS opens the app and prepares the expense for you. You just tap save and see how it affects your targets, keeping you fully aware of your monthly expenses. If you find this video useful, like and subscribe for more real examples like this, and check out Moneta on App Store or Google Play Store.